Alright, so we're trying on clothes for me to wear for my birthday, and this one found something.
Maggie, we got a problem.
What?
There's an issue in the wardrobe department.
The Portland Pickers! And did we do some picking today?
Have you ever?
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
This week in the Portland Pickers house, we sold some cool stuff.
Yes, always. I can't recall off the top of my head, but there was lots of things.
You'll
and
see
stuff.
it in this next clip. Some midweek sales.
Yeah, I got some nice little flow of midweek sales. In here, it's already packed. We don't have X-ray vision yet, but there's their truck wheel studs, and there's like $30 right there. Blech. Right here we have a Makita 9-volt battery. I pick these up every day whenever I see them, and this sold for $16, free shipping, so it's like a $10 profit, but I'm working on the quantity angle with these, and they're usually about $1 at the sale, so good sell through, decent margins. And then over here we have, these are just one of those random things that you don't know if it's actually gonna sell, but it was part of the hockey buyout, and the gentleman that bought them is actually putting together it's called the Ice Rink of Dreams. You can check it out on his Facebook. And so he's gonna hang these plaques, these hockey plaques up in that space he's building. Gucci!
Gucci Fendi fan.
I don't remember what I picked these up for. I don't think I paid that much for them, but these sold for $135. So, wooden cogs. The cogs are turning. But I think that it is important to note that, like, if you look at the craftsmanship of it, even if it wasn't branded Gucci, like, it's got like a furniture tack style leather straight onto a wooden crafted cog. Cog?
Oh, clog.
Clog, jeez.
You got some
It's a
clogged
clog.
brain.
I'm a clog in the machine. And then I always pick up Harley Davidson stuff. If it's branded Harley, like, I'll see where it's made. This is made in Hong Kong, so that kind of devalues it, but that's pretty common. But anyway, this leather holder with the pocket watch, this went for $50, which is actually on the low end, but it needs a new battery, so I was like, done. That's going international too. Here we have a fountain pen. Not much to say about this other than you want to see if the tip is gold. Sometimes they'll say like 14K or 18K on it, and you can go above and beyond and see if it's actually working, but most of the time the ink sac inside of this is old, broken, so just unless you're gonna refurb it, which I don't need to tell you any of this stuff.
Tips and sack.
Out of the recent Atari collector estate sale that I went to, I bought a bag of manuals, and you can actually check it out on the other YouTube video where I didn't really say anything about it, so that won't help. There was a lot of Atari manuals, about 7 or 8, and I was able to put together like 6 lots at $30 to $35 a pop, and this one sold overnight. You're giving me a look. What? Is it eye contact? I'm looking looking at you, not the video. Well,
That's why I put my
sorry,
face.
I'm not looking at the imaginary people watching. Beanie Baby! Ha! In your face! You said I couldn't sell Beanie Babies. I sold a Beanie Baby for $10. That went on Amazon. So, eBay not an option. Check out the Zon.
People still think they're worth something, maybe?
I don't know what's wrong with them. Here is, and like immediately, this caught my eye. Box sets of old software are my
Thought it
day
said
one.
Caboose.
This could be my caboose. I would let it be my caboose. Day ones. You got your day twos, threes. Day one. And anyway, in this box set, you have the manual, the manuals, and then in here you got the floppy disks and a special dongle. And I know that may seem weird, but there's something encrypted on the dongle that allows the software to mingle together, and I'm no architect of development
And
of
cut.
software.
And redo it.
This is good though. So like when you see that there's a dongle, get it.
Okay. So a little update. I'm feeling better. Not 100%. But I haven't had any kind of pain medicine. No Tylenol, no ibuprofen at all today. And I'm getting through the day. It's annoying though because I can't eat things still.
You
I
wanna-
got a big hole in my mouth.
Do you want to talk about annoying? I'd have put pants on.
I mean,
Well,
I could have shot you from here.
Yeah, that would have been better.
So you got, and then Jake bought some coveralls.
Oh, you saw that? Yeah, you saw this.
Jake bought some coveralls
Railroad.
and did a little challenge to see if he can get out of them while driving a car.
Oh, those. Yes.
If you were wondering why my hair looks like this, yesterday was my birthday party and it was 70s themed roller disco.
She got in a competition with a poodle. Like, who could be more poodle?
And who won?
It was close. It was really close. I think you won. I think you took it.
And
You took the cake. That's right.
is this the Snowpocolyse of 2017, 18, 19? What year is it?
I don't know. It's been so long. Stuck in the snow.
For years now. Haven't left the
Fighting
house.
for resources. Survival.
It's very
It's hard out
cute
here.
though, although it has disappeared on the ground.
Soup's cute. And it's funky. Oh.
Oh yes. You got it. You got it. Fever. And you went to a couple estate sales?
I couldn't help myself. So I was out this weekend at a sale. There wasn't too much that was drawing me to it. And I looked throughout the house. I didn't really find much. Couple things, make it worth my trip there. I went out into the garage, and this was like tucked in the corner, had $80 on it. And I could just tell that it was old, you know? Early motorcycle Fender. Didn't know what it was for. Asked the guy, he was like, yeah, I think it's for a Harley, but it's got like, it looks different than like some of the other early Harley stuff. And I was like, all right. And it has, you know, it's got some damage to it, which early Harley collectors don't mind. They'll restore it. They want the original stuff. So I asked him what he'd do on it, and he was like, oh, I'll do $60. And I was like, okay. I just figured I'd take it home because it had the look. So after doing like research and trying to find a identical rear fender, I couldn't. So I decided I'd just list it for what I thought it was, which was like a 1930s or 40s panhead or flathead Harley, and those were going for like $1 to $2 grand, even in, you know, rough condition like this. But this weird bracket here, I was like, it doesn't look like it's aftermarket, but I couldn't find any that were like it. So I list it, and a guy contacts me and says, so this is a 1941 MLA or WLA Harley rear fender, and they only made it 1 year. And if you know anything about anything, if they only made something 1 year and it's an antique,
You got a rarey.
you just hit the jackpot. And so right now, like within a few hours of it being priced at over $2 grand, I had 7 watchers on it.
Ow, ow!
So this is
What
like,
you've been looking for.
a really cool find. And even above the money aspect, just touching history like this, because this would have been pre-war military,
Hello.
and it being a 1 year make,
Looking for.
I'm
See it in your fender.
like, I'm never gonna come across one of these again. Like, just the fact that I did come into it is insane. So you just have to keep your eyes out and your money ready, because
Don't be scared of the dirty stuff.
Thank you guys for viewing this video. Hit the subscribe, slam down on the like. If that is, does that count? I don't think that counts for more likes or subscribes. If you
Like
like
how hard you
smash
push
it,
it?
you know, you click extra hard, but I'll feel it. Comment and say that
How
you did
hard
it,
that you
that you broke your mouse.
God,
Clicking yes.
Don't break your mouth.
Vote yes.